Hi, this is Ross from ProSteam UK. Today we are repairing this Karndean floor. Unfortunately, it suffered some scratches, and that's down to an appliance supplier who was removing the fridge freezer from that position there, and they dragged it across the floor this way. And eventually it was removed out from that door there. So, right, with the floor cleaned, we can now, with the aid of a very powerful torch, see exactly where the problems are. Okay, there is damage to the top surface, I'd say, of this this Karndean floor. Unfortunately, it spans over quite a few tiles, so you wouldn't be able to just repair each tile, and this is why we have to repair the whole floor, unfortunately. So there's another bit down here, you can see that now. Okay, and there as well, you see that? There, you can see it now. So we're going to now use the eccentric machine with a specific pad, and what that's going to do is gently sand the top surface. It's going to make the top surface go, well, the appearance look very dull indeed, and that's exactly what we want. So right, let's get started with this. Hi folks, right, the time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we started this job around about 9:30 this morning. And even though it's not a very big space, it's only about 20 square meters, we've had to work fairly hard to sort out the damage on the floor. Not just that, we had to then match the finish to the adjoining tiled areas. So because obviously we didn't work out there in the hallway, so we've had to try and get exactly the same finish, and it's somewhere between gloss and satin on this particular floor. So anyway, we're done. We've removed all the masking tape from the skirting boards, and because we obviously protected all around the bottom of the units and things, and that's all been removed. Now, cast your minds back earlier to these areas here. This is where the damage was, right in front of this fridge freezer, and you're going to find it very difficult now to see where those scratches were. There was also a nasty scratch that ran right across here, and that has now been masked using the PU sealer. We've added a special product to that to further mask the damage. So what it's actually done is it's filled the scratch. You can't remove the scratch, you can fill it. So there were some nasty scratches in this area here, and to my eye, I can't see them at all. So yeah, I think it's looking really nice. We've masked the scratches. We've achieved the same finish as the area out there. I'd say the job's a good one.